All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little bit before 11 p.m. Want to go in and cover some things going into Friday tomorrow, then going into LVS Saturday. We know what Saturday means. Saturday means a lot of FOMO, okay, in Bitcoin, at least virtually every Saturday of 2021, the exception of maybe one or two that I can remember. So we want to do the setup. We want to get ready, set up, prepared for the weekend. And what we're looking at here, will Bitcoin get to 58,000? That's what we called for this weekend. That's still, everything still seems to be, setting that up. Today would have been the day, typically, that would see like a major backdraft that would have prevented that. I don't think we're going to get it on a Friday. We don't typically get them on Fridays. We'll see. We'll see, what happens with the close tonight in about an hour or so. When I mean by close, I just mean the last candle of the day. We're going to take a look at that here really quickly. But this here is the hourly here on the BitSeven leverage trading platform. If you're not on the BitSeven leverage trading platform, I highly encourage you to hit the link and join that platform. It is the best platform to trade leverage in the world, I believe. And for any number of reasons that I've covered in a ton of my videos, and you can go back and you can kind of check. But really, we're in the charting side. I want to take a look at this really quick on what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay, still in a consolidation. Okay, I would argue a continuation pattern. But from a macro perspective, it is a consolidation period. Okay. But it's interesting right now on the daily. We're going to see what happens today on the daily candle. Because going into today, the last time that Bitcoin actually had 6 days, it was today, would be this 6 days on the daily. Let's flip to the daily. If I can't do that really quick. Let's flip to the daily real quick. It's 5-6 days in a row of a new high on the daily candle. Okay, see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will we close above 57-ish? Okay, that's what we're looking at, that end candle. If we close above that, above the previous high, yesterday's closing end of day high, the last time we did that, right now, was actually December. Now, I know a lot of people see that. I think, first look, what are you talking, JD? What are you talking about, man? There's all those greens right there. Yeah, but if you look, a lot of them close lower than the previous day, okay, which breaks the trend. The last one's really right here, okay? From there, it fell lower there at the end of the year, okay? Going into January, okay? But you've got these right here before that, right? So you're here, and then you're higher, 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 okay? And that's significant, okay? Because people are always looking at trends, right? So you're looking at that going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? At the end of the year, beginning of January, right? That's what you're looking at, okay? What you also want to be looking at is, okay, what happened on the back end of that, right? Everything's a pattern, okay? And so we talk about with leverage trading. Patterns repeat, okay? And so when you begin to recognize these patterns, they repeat. And we use rinse and repeat, right? We rinse a trade, and then we prepare for it to repeat, okay? And so here, look at these reds right here. What did we have on the daily? Okay, extremely high RSI, right? Resulted in red. Extremely high RSI in the daily resulted in red, okay? These are 2-day declines, okay? 2, 3, 4-day declines, okay? This one spilled over here without a lot of really high RSI, which is odd. And then you get here, and then look, high RSI, okay? And then we had 5-6 days of red, okay? Lower, 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 lower. Now we've come back, okay? So how we close tonight sets us up for the weekend, okay? I believe it sets us up to be very bullish. But, you reach those levels at 58,000, former all-time high, you can reject it,